Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you and a very good day to all of you. My name is Askar Khan, and in this video we will understand the third habit of highly effective people, and that is to put first things first. This habit is based upon the principle of time management. But think for a moment. No matter who you are, you may be a doctor or an engineer or a teacher or a student. No matter who you are, each one of us has 24 hours in a day at our disposal. And whether we use them or do not use them, these 24 hours will pass. So we cannot manage time. What we can manage are our activities. And our activities fall in one of the four categories. And they are, category number one. Your activity could be urgent and important. For example, all of a sudden you develop a severe stomach ache due to some ailment, as a result of which it becomes urgent for you to visit a doctor or take the necessary medication. So it is urgent and important. The second category is that your activity could be not urgent but important. For example, planning for your goals, planning for your professional goals, taking care of your health by regular exercises. They are not urgent, but they are important activities. Because they are not urgent, we generally tend to procrastinate in doing these activities. And one fine day, they become urgent. If you don't take care of your health on a regular basis, what happens? One fine day, it will become very urgent to treat to your ailments. The third category is that your activity could be urgent but not important. Generally, these activities are the ones which we do to please others. For example, if you are studying for your exam, and all of a sudden your friend calls you up and says that I have 2 tickets for a movie, let's go out right now. And you may tend to accept his request because you don't want to displease your friend. So the activity became urgent although it was not important for you. You can come out of this category by simply saying no, or by delegating, or by postponing certain activities. The fourth category is that your activity could be not urgent, not important. For example, endlessly binge watching television, endless amount of leisure. So such activities are not important and they are not urgent. You can come out of this category by taking responsibility for your actions, by taking responsibility for your behaviors. So highly effective people focus their time and energy on activities that are not urgent but important, like planning your goals, taking care of your health, and such type of act, writing a mission statement. So determine to what extent you are effective by knowing where you're spending your time and energy. But for now, you can do one activity immediately, and that is click the subscribe button and the like button and share this video with one and all. Thank you for watching.